Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to replace Honda Civic Thermostat, easy method. Begin by letting the engine cool fully and placing a drain pan under the radiator drain plug. Then remove the radiator cap and open the drain plug to lower coolant to below the thermostat housing. Lay out tools and new parts and take photos of hose positions to aid reassembly for a smooth, confident repair. With coolant lowered and tools ready, start by removing the lower radiator hose to access the thermostat housing, then unbolt the housing bolts in a crisscross pattern to avoid warping. Gently separate the housing, remove the old thermostat, and clean both mating surfaces until free of old gasket material and residue. Inspect the housing for cracks and ensure the new thermostat matches the orientation of the removed unit. Place the new thermostat into the housing in the correct orientation and fit a fresh gasket or seal as recommended. Then reattach the housing and torque bolts to the manufacturer's specification. Reconnect the lower hose, refill the coolant to the proper level, and run the engine while bleeding trapped air from the system. Monitor temperature until the thermostat opens, verify there are no leaks, and top off coolant as needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.